Is it on?
It's on, Gobo. Go ahead.
I don't think you're doing it right.
Gobo, I'm filming. Don't worry. It's on. Go ahead and say what you wanted to say.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
Yes, hello, everybody.
And I want to say that I miss you.
You miss everybody. Anything else you want to say?
Yes. Don't sneeze.
Gobo.
Huh?
You cannot tell people not to sneeze.
No?
No, you can't tell people not to sneeze.
Why not?
Because it's a natural thing to sneeze, Gobo. If someone has to sneeze, they sneeze, okay? But can you give them other advice?
Wash your hands.
That's good advice to give right now, Gobo. Perfect advice. So, people should
Wash their hands and think of Gobo.
Okay, great. That's advice from Gobo and from the French government.
What's that?
Oh, never mind. I'll explain that to you later, okay?